Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the very best websites to watch anime for free, completely legal. Yes, that is 100% legal websites to watch anime for free. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you do find this guide helpful. Be sure to watch through the end so you don't miss any of these platforms because each one offers different anime titles so you can choose the best for your watch list. Now, the first one that we're going to go ahead and do is actually Crunchyroll. So pretty much open up a browser of your choice and go ahead and search up Crunchyroll just like so and hit enter. Now, the official website is actually crunchyroll.com. So you could also search that up or just click on this top link just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually click explore up in the very top and then scroll down through this page. And you can browse categories, what's popular right now. You could even do simulcast. Click on whatever show you'd like to watch, and then you're able to just hit play, and you'll be good to go. Now, Crunchyroll is well known for streaming anime legally, and it does offer a premium subscription, but the free version still gives you tons of anime. You'll just have to watch a few ads. Some examples of anime that you can watch is something like Attack on Titan, My Hero Academia, One Piece, and yes, that is all of One Piece, which is, like a million episodes now. But don't worry, that's not it. If you don't want to use Crunchyroll, we have a lot more options. For the next one, you're going to want to go ahead and open up another browser and search in Tubi just like so and hit enter. Go to tubi.com just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is either create an account or just hit browse just like so. Find the genres tab and then in this section, find anime. Now from here, this is going to have all of the different anime that you can go ahead and watch. Pick from the list, something like Naruto is on here, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then simply go ahead and choose whatever season you want to watch and hit play. Tubi is completely free and is ad supported. It not only offers anime, but also movies, dramas, and documentaries. It's a great all-in-one option if you do want variety. The next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up another browser and search for popcornflix.com. From here, go ahead and find this search icon up at the very top and simply type in anime and hit enter. This is going to give you a bunch of different options. You might have to scroll down a little bit to find exactly what you're looking for, but there is a lot in this as well. Something like Street Fighter, Demon City is on here, but Popcorn Flix isn't just for anime. You'll also find a ton of older films, TV shows, and cult classics. It's actually the most extensive anime collection. It doesn't have the most extensive anime collection, but it's definitely worth a look for niche titles. But that wraps up our list of the best free and legal websites for watching anime in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned fan or you're just getting started, these sites have something for everyone. If this video did help you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite anime below, and let me know if I missed a great site that you actually use. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.